I decided to enter the healthcare field when I was actually in college. I was gearing my education towards physical therapy, and life happened, took me a couple different ways, but eventually I made it back to MRI. So I was looking into MRI programs in the state of New Jersey, and I found Ames.
Well, initially when I came for the first visit here, I was choosing between MRI and neurodiagnostics. But essentially I knew that I loved the brain. So coming here, getting more information definitely helped me make that clear decision that neurodiagnostics was the choice for me. And I'm really happy with that decision.
Since coming to Ames, I have learned dermal punctures and venipunctures. I didn't even know what a venipuncture was before coming here. But more than that, they've taught me both textbook and practical skills that I feel confident I'll be able to apply in a healthcare setting. It's shown me community and effective communication, which I really value.
They help me with reaching out, for career fairs, any help, with resumes. It's been great to try to search for a job with them on my side.
The whole way through this program, my goals have been pretty high and pretty steady. I decided that I'm not going to have any kind of boundary with my goals, and actually today I received a phone call and an offer from Columbia University to be an MRI technologist there in the neuroscience division, which is really exciting for me. It's because of Ames that I actually have my future career in line.
My experience here at Ames was wonderful.
So after Ames, I'm very excited to get into the healthcare field.
It all started by coming to Ames.